Good morning, students. In this experiment, we will discuss about the sampling and reconstruction. So now we are going to discuss about the sampling, what is sampling and what is reconstruction. So in the theoretical point of view, you have already studied about sampling, why we have to sample the signal, right? In the analog to digital conversion, we have the various steps to convert the analog signal into digital signal, right? So in the first step, you have to sample the signal. That is, the sampling is the first step of the A to D conversion, and second one is the quantization, right? The error values, the actual values are converted into standard values. That is the quantization. And the difference between the actual value and the standard value comes around the quantization error, or otherwise it is called as a quantization noise. And finally the encoding, right? These are all the various steps in the sampling or in the A to D conversion. So we have to sample the analog signal, right? So with the help of the analog signal construction, the analog signal sampling and reconstruction trainer kit. So with the help of the trainer kit, you can able to sample the signal. See, it is same as we have discussed in the FM experiment in the trainer kit. The modulating signal is generated in the trainer kit itself. Similarly, here also the modulating signal is generated in the trainer kit itself, and you can set the frequency and you can set the amplitude in the trainer kit with the help of CF, right? So in the sampling, if you want to sample any analog signal, we need a pulse, right? The pulse is a carrier. Here the pulse is a carrier. So with the help of the pulse signal, right, the analog modulating signal can be sampled. The sampling frequency you can choose. The sampling frequency you can choose in the trainer kit. Okay. So when you sample the signal, right, you know the Nyquist criterion formula. The sampling frequency Fs is greater than or equal to twice the value of a modulating signal. So 2 Fm, right? Fs is greater than or equal to 2 Fm. That similarly here the amplitude, that is analog modulating signal, can be sampled with the help of the pulse signal. So according to, you can generate the pulse signal, and both the signal can be given with the trainer kit, that is modulator, and you can able to get the sampled signal in the output. You can see the flat tap samples as well as the natural sampled output on the CF. For reconstruction of the sampled signal, that is for the reconstruction of the original signal, after sampling process, the sampled signal can be given as an input to the filters, right? The different frequency for different filters are given with respect to different frequencies, and you can able to select any one particular frequency range. According to that, you will have the low pass filters, right? So the sampled signal is given as an input to the low pass filter. From the low pass filter, you can able to get the output, that is reconstructed output. So this stage consists of one or two low pass filters. So according to that, you can able to get the reconstructed output from the low pass filter. So this is the signal reconstruction. So with the help of this trainer kit, you can able to sample the signal as well as you can able to reconstruct the original signal, right?